Hello students. Welcome to the virtual class. So in the last class we have discussed about word problems in subtraction. So in the today we are going to study about the properties of the subtractions. So there are mainly two properties of subtractions are there. Property number 1, when we subtract 0 from a number, then the difference is the number itself. So you all know when you subtract 0 from any number, then the difference will be the number itself. So take for example, let a be any number, then a minus 0 is a itself. So here take an example. Here example 1 is 32,552 minus 0. What you will get? You will get 32,552 itself. Next example 12,430 minus 0. You will get 0 from any number means you will get the number itself. So it is 12,430. So like that. So property number 2. What is the property number 2? When a number subtracted from the same number, the difference is 0. So when you are subtracting the number from the same number, we will get the subtraction is 0. So here let a be any number, then a minus a is 0. So here we can take one example. Example 1 is 3,23,456 minus 3,23,456. So both are same number. You are subtracting this from the same number means you will get it as 0. Then also here is the number 5,12,376 minus dash. So we will get it as a 0. So here there is a fill in the blank. So what we have to subtract? So we have to subtract the same number. So subtracting same number means it is what we can come here. It is 5,12,376. So if you are subtracting the same number from the number, you will get the difference as a 0. So here also difference is 0. Like this, there are two properties are there only in the properties of the subtraction. So the next concept is continued here, estimating difference. So we are already studied in the earlier exercises estimating sum. So the same type is continued here, only the change is difference we have to find. So in the estimating difference, we have to observe if we are rounding off to the nearest tens means we have to observe the ones place. So how to observing? So it is less than 5 is there. So less than 5 means what are the numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like these numbers are there. Then greater than 5 means or equal to 5 you can take it as. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These digits you have to observe in the place. So here one example we will take less than 5 or more than 5. So here estimate the difference. So here difference is given by rounding off to the nearest tens. So we have to observe, we have to round off to the nearest tens. What place we have to observe? We have to observe the ones place. So what are the numbers they are given? 40,862 minus 20,773. So what we have to do? How to write the solution? Solution now. So we have to do rounding off to the nearest tens we have to do. So what are the numbers here? 40,862. One more is 20,773. So it is rounds to the nearest tens. So nearest 10 means what is the place here? In the ones place 2 is there. So if it is less than less than 5 is there. So if it is less than 5, just make it as a 0. Then how it is? It is 40,860. Then here this is a ones place 3 is less than 5, it is also less than 5. So here 20,770. So what we are finding? We are finding the difference. So here difference is there. Then 0 minus 0 is 0. So 6 minus 7 not possible. So make it as a 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. Then this makes as a 7. So 8 becomes 7. 7 minus 7 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So nearest tens value for the difference is 20,090. I hope this example is clear. So when you are doing a nearest tens means we have to observe the place at the ones place. So here ones place, it is if it is less than 5, then just make the place as a 0. If it is the more than 5 or equal to 5 is there, then make the place 0 and add 1 to the tens place. So it is both are less than 5, then no need to add, just make the places as a 0 and get the difference here. So what is the next example? So one more example we will see here. So how to write the solution? First read the examples carefully. Estimate the difference by rounding off to the nearest 100. So here they are asking nearest 100. So what are the numbers they are given? 82,396 minus 53,402. So here we have to write the multiples of the 100. So round off to the nearest 100 we are doing. So it is hundreds we are doing. So write the numbers 82,396. Next one more number is 53,402. So you have to do rounds to. So here next you are doing hundreds. So you have to observe the tens place here. So tens place here is more than 5. So more than 5 means you have to make the tens and ones places as a 0 and add 1 to the this number. So it is what you will get 82,400 you will get. So here when you are doing nearest 100 means you have to observe the place as a tens place. You have to observe tens place. More than 5 means make the tens and ones place as a 0 and add 1 to the hundreds place. So here see here again 0 is there, it is less than 5, then no need to add anyone to the this. Just write the difference as a here 53,000 it is 400, 53,400. So here 0 is there, so just make the both places as a 0 0. Then difference, so 0 minus 0 is 0, then 0 again it is 0. 4 minus 4 0. So 2 minus 3 is not possible, make it as a 12, this as a 7. So 12 minus 3 9, 7 minus 5 2. So the difference is 29,000. So here it is nearest 100. So when you are doing nearest 100, you have to observe the place at the tens place you have to observe. So what about the next? One more example we will take. So estimate the difference by rounding off to the nearest thousands. So they are here given here thousands. So it is what is the number they are given? 5,45,226 minus 2,12,104. So here solution. So what we are doing? Nearest thousands we are doing. So write the number 5,45,226. One more 2,12,104. So rounds to. So what is the number here? When you are doing nearest 1000 means we have to observe the place of the hundreds place you have to observe, and after observing make the hundreds, tens and ones place should be 0. So here it is So what is the hundreds place here? 2 is there. So it is make the places as these places are 0. So it is 5 lakh 45,000. 5 lakh 45,000 here. Why? Because here less than 5 is there. So here it's also less than 5. Then what is the number here? 2 lakh 12,000. Just making ones, tens, 100 places as all places are 0. So like this, difference you have to finding. So 0, 0, 0, 5 minus 2, 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, 5 minus 2 is 3. Like that, the difference, it is 3,33,000. So like that, 10,000s will come. 10,000s means we have to observe the thousands place. Again, less than 5, more than 5. So like this, you just solve the exercise. Let us practice 2.7 carefully. Just you have to observe what places surrounding they are given. No, one lesser place you have to observe and make the remaining places as 0, 0. I hope the video is clear to you all and complete. Let us practice 2.7 today. Thank you.